So I'm on Edza. I finished quite late actually. I'm very late. I need to be in that place I go in 40 minutes, and it's gonna be very hard if it's all the way like this. Earlier, actually a few days ago, I went there and it wasn't that busy, but now it's just a nightmare today. It's probably like this every day. So I'm on my way to pick up a seat, Camel seat. So yeah, I'll find one online. So nothing much. I'm tired of this. Fuck you, Bargain. All the way like this, all the way traffic. My God, man. Come on. Shit, I'm not in the motorcycle lane. Hello, officer. Nah, it's okay, I guess. Korea is watching. I'm in my lane. Hi. Hi, sexy. Really sexy in blue, no? Blue was the motorcycle lane. GMA network. I want to be on GMA. It will be funny, don't know? Daily observation on GMA. Our manila has a show. That will be so funny, man. People will go mental on they will go crazy on the comment. What is he doing? Oh, nice. Okay, I got the seat. I tape it. Now I need to go back to work. Hopefully Edza won't be as much as busy as before, and hopefully the seat will hold, not falling off of Edza. So I paid is that 2K? 2K for it. It looked quite good. Obviously I need to fit it, and then custom seat where Joseph made his own is 1.6 for the same as I bought mine. The same model is 1.6, but this time I'm making it like that because I'm just gonna put my red stock. I'm gonna give it to someone. I need to work it out to try to call him first, and I'm really trying to make a manila seat. It's gonna take time. I need to work it out, but I got a great idea, great thing to do, so I need to. It's gonna take time basically, but you will know later. Once it's done, you know what I mean. So yeah, another police control today? No? Kadokan? No? Okay, I go home. Okay, I go back to work now. I hope Edza won't be busy as fuck as early. Otherwise, I'm patay. Where I go. Bulaga! Oh fuck, I missed my stop there. Ah, I'm gonna go there now. Fuck. So, about the seat. It's option 1. It's very hard, harder than the stock one. It feel harder, but it's very nice because you actually sit like it feels like you sit in a chair basically because of the shape of the seat. It feels like you just can move the bike, you know, when you want to turn, and it feels much better. It's harder, it feels harder, but it's more comfortable than the stock one. I've been a week on now, a week riding, and no pain at all. My ass is okay, I'm not getting fucked. Yeah, honestly, it's good seat. I'll recommend it. Yeah, so just check on Facebook. It's like 2,000 pesos. Mostly everyone do the same price, so just have a look. But yeah, very comfortable seat. I like it a lot. Tennis ball. Ooh. Where is it? It's gone. Playing tennis in the middle of the road. Oh, is it? Going to the lady. Oh my god. Excuse for. I'm gonna put some petrol. I'm gonna go. He's back. Randomly playing with a tennis ball. Let's go there. Yeah, just get the seat if you like it. It's nice. Hypo XCS, please, full tank. Yeah.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my